Now let's go to temperature. There are two common ways to measure temperature in everyday life, Celsius and Fahrenheit. These were both scientists back in the day that tried to measure them. I think historically Celsius is a little more accurate than Fahrenheit, but again, Google that one too. To convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, meaning you know Celsius and you want to know Fahrenheit, you would use the formula F equals 9/5 C plus 32. And to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you would use the formula C equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. So notice the parentheses there. Now, Celsius to Fahrenheit is actually a little bit easier in your head anyways. 9/5 is almost 2. So if you're in Europe or somewhere that uses Celsius, you generally, what you do is you just double it and add 32, and that gives you an approximation of what the Fahrenheit would be. But again, call your grandparents, because we really should be using Celsius in the entire world. I have no idea why we still use Fahrenheit. What are you going to do? Now, those are the two big ones, Celsius and Fahrenheit. The third one is this magical one called Kelvin. Kelvin is probably the one that's most accurate, and it's the scientific community's measurement of choice. 0 Kelvin is designated as absolute zero, the lack of any and all heat. So 0 Kelvin means we be dead. We're really all gone at that point. So that'd be bad. Don't do that. So there is a link between Kelvin and Celsius, and that's given by the following formulas. The first one is used if you know Kelvin and you want, the first one is used if you know Celsius and you want to find Kelvin. The second one is used if you know Kelvin and you want to find Celsius. So if you would, watch the last video, converting temperature. It's got 3 parts. I don't know if I can make it. I have to stop the video. Okay, goodbye.
You found the secret video! I can't play piano! On Tuesdays I eat tacos! In Britain they say cheerio! I got nothing.
Whatever it was, I didn't do it.